guys, this is Abigail with the education team coming to you from my yard. Now I have a really fun lesson and activity for you guys today, and that is build your own binoculars. So all you guys need for your binoculars are 2 toilet paper rolls per person, some glue or tape, whichever you prefer. You're going to need a hole punch, some scissors, some yarn or string, whatever you guys have available, and then some markers, colored pencils, or crayons.
Step 1. Secure your tubes together either using tape or glue. If you choose glue, allow some time to dry. Once it has dried, hole punch the far left and far right sides of the tubes. Step 3. Cut some yarn or string and tie each end around one of the holes. This will end up making your neck strap. Your last step is to grab some crayons, markers, or color pencils and decorate your binoculars however you choose. Once you are finished decorating, you can now go out and explore your neighborhood with your really cool binoculars.
Thank you guys so much for joining me today and creating your very own binoculars. I hope you guys had an absolute blast. Now you guys have the chance to go explore your neighborhood and see what birds live in your area. And we look forward to seeing you guys very soon at the Naples Botanical.